In a significant turn of events, the criminal prosecution proceedings surrounding the Georgia 2020 election interference case have reached a pivotal juncture. All 19 individuals accused, which prominently includes former President Donald Trump, have now surrendered themselves to the authorities in Fulton County. This development marks a crucial phase in the legal proceedings, bringing the case closer to trial. District Attorney Bonnie Willis has taken a proactive stance in shaping the upcoming trial. In an important step, she communicated to the defense attorneys that her office is fully prepared to share the evidence it has amassed. With the stage set for trial preparations, Willis is advocating for the process of arraignments to commence in the week following September 5, immediately after the Labor Day holiday. Despite this, the decision of the judge regarding the timeline is still pending. The co-defendants of Trump in the Georgia case are also making strategic moves within the legal landscape. Notably, Sidney Powell, who served as Trump's campaign lawyer, has submitted a motion urging for a speedy trial. Powell is facing accusations of promoting unfounded claims related to ballot fraud in the 2020 election. Her push for an expedited trial is mirrored by Ken Chesebro, who is alleged to have played a significant role in devising the fictitious electors scheme. This synchronous pursuit of swift legal proceedings underscores the intensity of the legal battle surrounding the case. In a revelation reported by Politico, 3 co-defendants linked to Trump have asserted that their involvement as fake electors was a result of explicit instructions from the former president and his legal team. This statement further complicates the intricacies of the case, shedding light on the possible orchestration of the alleged election interference. Simultaneously, a subset of defendants, numbering at least 5, has formally requested a change in venue for their cases. Their proposition is to move the legal proceedings to a federal court setting. Among those seeking this shift is Mark Meadows, a former chief of staff for Trump. This strategic move by the defendants signals their tactical approach to the legal battle, aiming to potentially alter the course of the case by changing its jurisdiction. A significant development in this regard is expected, as a federal judge is slated to hold a hearing to assess the validity of this request. Meadows, in defense of his actions, contends that the allegations against him were within the scope of his official duties while serving as Trump's chief of staff. However, the judge has stipulated the need for concrete evidence supporting this claim, emphasizing that soft testimony might not suffice. This underscores the requirement for substantial and independent evidence to validate the allegations. Within this complex legal milieu, a pivotal witness is anticipated to take the stand during the trial: Brad Raffensperger, Georgia's top election official. Notably, Raffensperger was involved in a controversial incident where Trump was recorded urging him to locate 11,780 votes. This testimony is poised to be crucial in establishing the context and intent behind Trump's interactions with election officials. Adding to the intrigue, a critical hearing is scheduled for the upcoming Monday, this time in Washington, D.C. Judge Tanya Hutkin, who is presiding over Trump's federal election case, will determine the commencement date for the trial. This event holds considerable significance as it will set the tone for the trajectory of the federal case against Trump. In conclusion, the evolving legal proceedings surrounding the Georgia 2020 election interference case are at a critical crossroads. The surrender of all defendants, including former President Trump, marks a significant step toward the impending trial. The actions of various co-defendants, the strategic requests for venue changes, and the anticipation of key witnesses underscore the complexity and intensity of the legal battle. As the case unfolds, it remains to be seen how the pursuit of evidence, the testimonies of involved parties, and the decisions of the court will shape the final outcome of this high-stakes legal showdown.